Hello, welcome to the pet room. I don't have a hat handy, kind of wish I did, to give this a try on a hat or something. One thing I found, if I put it under my beard, we get beard noise. So this, it has a nice little clip on it, and I suppose it will hold well. I can't hold it the whole time while I'm doing stuff. The other thing is, with that, with the thing I have upstairs, that's like a microphone holder, I suppose I could clip this on there, kind of like what I did with the other thing. And what else? I suppose to get things closer, and this does look some directional, I could set it down in front of what I'm doing. I have done things like that before. Anyway, I will experiment. I know I have other microphones coming that are wireless, and I'm looking forward to that, but I hope this will help, because as it goes, look, I have kind of a quiet voice, and I'm not really good at yelling, like a lot of YouTubers who like to yell a lot about nothing. So, and because of the way things were and such, I decided that I would order 3 of these. So I have spares, in case of an accident, in case of a disaster. I guess another thing this would be good for is if I was sort of out on the go, and I had my phone in my pocket, and I could have the microphone closer to my mouth, whether or not I was filming or just recording audio. I don't know. Anyway, I guess we'll have to see. We'll have to test this out. See if it does a good job. I suppose I could do the old, "Hello, I'm testing this microphone right in front of my mouth." And then I could hold it over here and say, "Hello, I'm testing this microphone about 3 feet away from my mouth." And I could bring it back here, excuse me, and say, "Hi, it's in my immediate vicinity again." And then I could put it over here, right in front of the fan. "Hello, fan," without knocking it into the fan or pulling down the phone. Anyway, hopefully happy days are here again, and hopefully the other stuff will arrive, and I will not be yelling at the phone and then finding out sometimes that some of my recordings just turn out absolutely pitiful, terrible, awful, that I have to run them through a thing to try and pump up the volume over and over and over, still to find out that it's crap. Anyway, so I will set these aside carefully, and I'm sure you'll be seeing more of them soon. Maybe clipped to my hat. Once again, I just gotta be careful when I got this thing on, if it's on, to don't pull the phone over. Don't pull a penny. Just don't do it. Don't do it. So, thanks for being here. Hopefully you'll be hearing more of me and hearing better of me soon, as I experiment with microphone location. And we'll see when the others arrive, but also I did order some integrated chip sockets. And I don't do a whole lot of online ordering. Like hardly. I don't remember the last time. But it was necessary. So, signing off from the pet room, I remain David Bradley. Bye for now.